Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to do the unboxing of the Oracle. Now this is a folding electric wheelchair. It actually folds inward or folds sideways.
It can support an impressive 350 pounds of weight.
Once you remove the batteries, it gets down to 41 pounds, so it's pretty lightweight. And it does come with 2 batteries standard. So combined between the 2 batteries, you get about 22 miles of range, which is really nice too. So I'm gonna unbox this and just show you what to expect. So there are straps on here. I'm gonna cut these off. And I will tell you that because it's a folding electric wheelchair, they're usually just pretty much put together. You just have to put the joystick on and that's about it. So that's the great thing about it. But a lot of people wanna see what to expect once they receive this. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It's got this styrofoam top here. I'll set that to the side. Now I can pull this right out, or you can just set it on its side and pull it out. I'm gonna set it down. I think it'll be easier. Nice and snug in there. So this is gonna be the seat cushion. And I'll remove this plastic wrap off of here. Got your joystick. This is the new joystick. And let's unfold this here. So you got your foot, your leg rest as well. So let me take this off and we'll install these. So you can see there's a little clip here. I just put that in here on the side. Actually, I want to put this in first. Lift this knob up and it goes right in that hole. So now you got the leg rest on. And I like these because they make it easy for when you're getting out of the seat. You can flip these up and then you can just pull these up, twist them to the sides, you can get out. So now we got these on. This is like a calf pad. So we'll put this on too. Right here, give you a little calf support. Now on the back, this is your seat back. I can lift this up. It'll snap right into place. Got a seat belt. Let me put this on here. So you can see we got Velcro lining up here. And same on this side. And here we got the manual, and then we have your charger. And it looks like this, I think this will go to, so you can charge both batteries at the same time, I believe, but let's see. So here's your charger. Let's put the joystick on here. So this is one of the new digital joysticks. So easy to mount on either side. I'm gonna put it on the right side for now. And you can see here's a connector here. Now we've got that. So before you power this on, a couple things you need to be aware of. So you got a battery on this side and there's one on the other side. Now if I press this button, I can lift this up and you have to connect power to it. So I could connect just one battery at a time if I wanted to, so I could connect it that way. Or the other thing that I can do is use this adapter and I can connect it here. So that way I can hook this up to both of the batteries and we can draw power off of both batteries at the same time, I believe. Let's try it. Okay. Actually, I'm going to pop it back off again. We'll install it here. Okay, so now we've got one on. Set this back in. All right. Now on the other side, let me pop this battery off. And now I can connect the other connector on here. And then you can set it right back in here. Like that. Now the power turns on. All right, so show you some of the joystick here. So it's a nice digital joystick. You got your speeds in kilometers per hour. You got your speed control, battery life, you got a horn. And I like this feature. I like that you can remove the joystick easily, especially when you're flying on an airline. I'm gonna turn this off for now and show you can flip the armrest up. So they actually go back pretty far. So this piece is not sticking out. So it's good for transfers in and out of the seat. Now, as far as the battery, so you can charge both of the batteries on the joystick directly, right here. So you can do that if you wanted to, or if you wanted to charge the batteries, you can remove it. Just pressing this button. You have to take off the power supply on the back, which I just hooked up. So you can press this button, remove this, and then you can charge each of the batteries indoors. So a lot of battery range on this chair. You've got these shock suspensions on the front. This is a plastic rack. I'm not going to take this off, but this is a protective cover on here because this is a brand new unit. Now on the back, we do have a little bit of storage back here. That's all the storage you're going to get on this unit. These are your freewheel levers. So it has two 250 watt motors. So if you ran out of battery life and you needed to push this, you can push by the handlebars. You can push both of these up to put them in manual. And now you can push this like a manual wheelchair. If I put these both in the drive position, you can't push it because the brakes are engaged. And this is how you would operate the chair when they're both in the drive position.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger, and you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well, and you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
The tires are also flat free tires. So we got flat free on the side. These are also flat free up front. And I'll show you how to fold it.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those two things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
So the first step is you want to remove the cushions. So you just want to pull these off. Next, the best thing you should probably remove these leg rests. So if I take this, you could just take one off and I can pull up this knob. This comes right out. Same on this side. They're removed easily. On the back, press these buttons to fold it down. And then lastly, I'm going to pull up these handles. And now it's completely unfolded. So with the batteries in, I think it's closer to 50 pounds, but if I remove them, it's about 41 pounds. So nice lightweight option. So I'll tell you a couple things about the chair. It actually has a top speed of 6 miles per hour. So it's a faster folding electric wheelchair. It has a really fast charging time. It states it's an hour and a half to charge the batteries, which is really nice. You got a seat width of 18 inches, 16 inches in depth. The total width of the chair, when it's unfolded, is almost 22 inches. The total length, and that's with the leg rest on. Total length is almost 36 inches and the height is 35 inches.
Also, I don't think I mentioned this, but this chair is also airline approved.
So I'll put these back on and I want to test the speed. I didn't realize it was so fast. Put this back on and here.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
Let's power this on and let's see if it goes 6 miles an hour. That's what it states. I'll get it up to the top speed setting. And yes, it's very fast. Really good turning radius. So yeah, if you want a folding electric wheelchair that's fast, this is a really good one, and it's airline approved. You also have multiple color choices. And if you have any questions about the Oracle or any of these Discover Your Mobility products, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.